Success Welding TV. So today you may be surprised when you hear that we're not going to be talking about this helmet very much. This is my favourite OPTREL E684X1. It's got that technology that adjusts the shade of the lens to the temperature of the weld that you're welding at. Very clever helmet, still possibly my favourite helmet, but those helmets come at a price point, and that price point isn't for everybody. What makes it expensive? The technology and the optical clarity of that lens. It comes with a 1111 rating. Those numbers, that 1111, means it's as good as it gets when it comes to that lens. But again, the OPTREL helmets and the speed glass helmets and certain other helmets in the market come at an extremely high price. That price isn't for everybody. This completely changed my way of thinking, and it may change yours when you've seen it later on in the film. This meets all the relevant EN standards. It's quite a funky looking helmet. Let's take a closer look. It's got this awesomely funky robotic style graphic on it. It's actually part of a range of helmets, and this is the top of the range. This has got true colour technology. Do you remember when we spoke about this helmet and the panoramics from OPTREL having true colour, that the vision and the clarity of what you see is more virtual, is more realistic, and you can actually sense the difference in colours in your vision. This has got true colour technology. It doesn't automatically change the shade. That's still done manually, but it meets all the relevant EN numbers. Inside, the controls are as such. You've got your sensitivity, the delay. It comes with a rechargeable battery as well as being solar powered. It's got 4 sensors in the sensing area, and it doesn't look bad. It's quite well made. It's got a lot of adjustment for what I'm going to class as an entry-level helmet. I think we can talk about it all day long, but you're watching this video for an honest, comprehensive review. The best way that we need to do that is by rigging up some kit and letting you have a look at what it actually looks like while I'm welding through this helmet. And maybe we'll chuck on the OPTREL helmet as well and let you see a comparison while I'm welding. Let's take a look. So I don't exactly know how that's going to work out. I don't know how that's going to look through those different helmets, but What I can tell you about this one, the FFX 850, is that the colour is much bluer and almost more clear than the OPTREL. I'm not saying it is. I'm not saying that this has become my most favourite helmet. What I'm saying is the colour of this true colour helmet is different. It's comparable, very much so in the way it looks through the lens, to the bowler helmet, the one that came to market a few years ago where everybody said it was true colour and HD. I still would prefer to wear my OPTREL E684 X1 all day, every day if I were welding for 12 hours a day, or if I was doing something critical. But I seem to be able to have more vision over the workpiece and the colour, and I could almost see the fumes coming up through this. What's the difference? If I said that OPTREL helmet's about £260, roughly, and I said there was probably somewhere in the region of £200 difference between this and that, then you need to work out how much welding you're doing on a daily basis and how much you necessarily need to be spending and investing in that helmet. For me, I would always go for the most expensive option if I was doing it all day, every day, it was my career. If I can see better, if I can weld better, that's going to give me a better end result. But this helmet's pretty fantastic. Again, let's have another quick look around everything. It's got the switch that everybody's seen, and you turn it to the grinding mode. You can see it there. And you can change it from 9 to 13 or from 5 to 8. It's got the grinding facility. It's got the, you can almost see through it there, can't you? See my hand at the back. Got this, what people are calling and raving about, true colour technology. For a helmet in this price bracket, the Futurist FFX 850 gets a thumbs up from me, and it's worth looking at. And don't forget those 1111 numbers which speak about optical clarity. This is a 1112, and you only get 1, 2 or 3 in the range of optical clarity. 3 is the bottom, the worst. 1 is the best it can be. So this is 1112. And that end number, that 2 in the end number, is down to how the shade changes as you look at the lens at an angle. So when it comes to that, I think we've got a pretty outstanding helmet. How does it look? My name's Bazza. This is MS Welding TV. This is the FFX 850 welding helmet with true colour technology. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you soon right back here on MS Welding TV.